What's going on, people? This is the Money Management, back with a bang, back here for your Monday motivation for this week. Now, of course, just like every Monday, I'm here to motivate you guys, get you up and ready for this upcoming week, enthusiastic, ready to attack another week. Of course, I know a lot of you guys are going into your 9 to 5 today, going to work, going to school, doing your online classes, going to seminars, whatever you're doing, and a lot of you are not looking forward to it. But don't worry, that's why I'm here, as always, just to bring you guys that motivation you need to get you ready for this week. So in today's video, I'm going to be talking about why you are blessed. I'm going to be talking about the fact that you are blessed. We're going to analyze it, we're going to break it down and make you guys understand that. And by the end of this video, hopefully you guys will be feeling a lot better, refreshed, ready to attack another week, and hopefully ready to live your best life this week. Now, before we get into that, we need to get these out of the way early. Like button, hit the like button today. 40 likes, we're hitting 40 likes on this video. That's our aim. 40 likes on this video. So hit that thumbs up if you're not here already. It doesn't even take half a second. Boom, and you're done. We move on. Commenting you guys are very good at. So keep commenting, let me know your thoughts on the video, because I enjoy reading your comments, I enjoy hearing what you guys have to say, I enjoy hearing when you guys say, I'm up and ready for the week, I'm excited, blah, blah, blah. I love these money motivations. Great comments, keep that going. Always, make sure you guys hit the red button if you're new. You know, that's a regular thing, that's just easy. Again, subscribe to the channel, The Money Management, I'll talk about lots of different things, but on Mondays is Monday Motivation. Now, lastly, share these videos with your friends, people. Help them get excited for a new week. You know, you're getting the blessings from me. Make sure you also share it with your friends. Put the blessings down on them. The blessings come down, they don't stop there. You know, you pour them out. You help other people. So make sure you guys help other people stay blessed. So let's talk about the fact that you are blessed this week. Let's talk about that. Let's analyze it. Now, when it comes to blessings, I notice people associate blessings with money, gifts, materials. And you know, when they get a new car, they say, I'm blessed. When they get paid or you know, they earn some money, they're blessed. They forget all the basic things. And this is why people end up being a bit hurt, unhappy sometimes, because you're purely associating blessings with money or materials. And there's a lot more to it than that. Think about the fact that we are here on a Monday. Yes, we might not love what we're doing. We might not enjoy being in a global pandemic, but it could be a lot worse. You are blessed not because you got some, money. But you're blessed because you have the opportunities in life. You're blessed because you can sit here and watch this video and no one is disturbing you. You know, there might be people at work disturbing you, you might be watching this at work, but the fact that you have the ability to watch it, you have the ability to access the video, this platform, you are blessed. The fact that you wake up, you have shelter, you do not have to wonder where your next meal is coming from. You know, this is also a part of being grateful. The fact that you're not in poverty, the fact that you have shelter over your head, like I mentioned, these themselves are real blessings. We do not have to go out and fight for our food, walk miles for water. We don't have to, ration. We don't have to do any of that kind of crazy stuff. Yes, it feels like it when you're going to the stores and you're seeing toilet paper gone, but we don't have to do that kind of stuff. Honestly, we are blessed for so many other reasons than just money or gifts. Now think about health, the factor of health. There are people out here who were born with certain illnesses or from birth they had something wrong with them. And unfortunately, they don't deserve that. They didn't do anything to be in that position. It can just happen. There's so many different things which, people have. You guys know what the kind of things I'm talking about. And you don't have these things. That itself is a blessing. It's not to say that those people aren't blessed, because the fact they're alive is a blessing itself. But the fact that you guys, some of you, are out here complaining on a Monday. Why do I have to go into work? Blah, 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 blah. Why do I sit in the traffic? Blah, blah, blah. Listen, I know life can be hard sometimes and difficult, but like I said, we are blessed. We are so blessed to be here. We have to never take that for granted. We cannot take it for granted. I mean, have you guys ever seen, been to places where you see people who are in states or conditions where they actually lack the minimum requirements for living, like the minimum standard financial requirements, those kind of things just for living? Those are completely different situations. And if you've been to those kind of places, been to those countries, been to those areas, you'll know exactly what I'm talking about. It does not take a lot for someone to be homeless. Now, the fact that none of you are homeless is a blessing itself. The fact that you guys can hear me, see me, have the ability to switch off to recording whenever you want, have the ability to some of you listen to this and do something else at the same time, multitask. You know how many people don't have the ability to do this? Not because they don't have the access, but the pure ability. There are so many small, minor blessings that we have, which we just take for granted. Every one of you who's watched this video, I'm pretty sure, is going to have a meal today. Going to have a couple meals today. Maybe some of you having a few meals and some snacks in between. But the fact that you can do that, and it doesn't, you don't have to bat an eye. It's a blessing itself. The fact that a lot of you guys, live with your parents and they're happy to take you in, it's a blessing themselves. There are enough kids out there who are disowned by their parents, who live in foster homes, who don't get love from their parents. There are enough kids who get kicked out from their house at 16, 18. Look, these might all sound like crazy situations to you, but it's not. These are real life situations. Not everything is how it, looks in your eyes. There are crazy situations out there. And these are all just small blessings. These are blessings which are adding up. Again, if you do get a new car, yes, it's a blessing. If you do get a pay rise, yes, it's a blessing. You know, even if you get a new job, yes, it's a blessing, but there's more to life than that. There's more to blessings than that, being blessed. You guys are definitely blessed. The fact that you get to watch the money management without anyone holding you back, the fact that you can watch my videos, that's a blessing itself. The fact that I'm producing videos for you guys are blessed just to watch these videos. I know that, you guys know that, so that's fine. I don't need to talk about that too much. But honestly, let's go back to poverty. There are people out there who cannot meet their basic human needs because of the income level in their country. People out here want multiple sources of income, and it's good. I want multiple sources of income, I have multiple sources of income, and I'm not complaining. I'm saying I'm blessed for that. There are people who live in situations where multiple sources of income, they will never ever get that. Unfortunately, it's just the conditions they're in. Now, there might be some of you harsh people out there who say, oh yeah, you can always change the situation. If you die poor, it's up to you, blah, blah, blah. I've heard that many times. That's not the case. I do not think it's the case. We can discuss that in the comment section if you do think that's the case. There are people who are in situations where they can just never get out. For those of you who are in the poor parts of your country, but you're in a great country, for example, like America, your poverty is nowhere near someone who's in poverty in a third world country. I mean, I read something the other day from someone who was living in Venezuela, or whose family was living in Venezuela, and it was something like, on average, their family gets paid something which is equivalent to about $6 per month. $6 per month. And apparently the average cost of living was like $8 or something like that. You know, I might pull it up on screen and read through it again, but it is crazy. Who is earning $6 a month in America? You know, for those of you who have jobs, you might complain about minimum wage. The fact you have a job is a blessing. I don't want to always talk about money because remember I told you blessings is not purely about money. But think about that for a second. Income levels, it's not equal. There are people out there who are smart enough to do what, you know, many people are doing and getting paid 10, 15 times that. Blessings. Blessings come in so many different forms. The ability for you guys to go outside, you know, in your fresh air, live in this kind of period of time. Yes, I know we've got a global pandemic going on, but this is why I'm talking about it. The fact that you can still walk outside, no one's pressuring you, no one's hiring you, no one's hustling you, as long as you're wearing a mask. No one's doing any of that kind of stuff. None of you guys are going to war, none of you guys are at war. That is all blessings. Yes, we are in a very strange period of time. I'll be the first one to say that. But we have also got the blessing to be here. Many people got the virus, for example. Many people did not survive the virus. Many of you will not get the virus, have not had it, don't know anyone who's had it. Now, I know people who've had it, and yes, it's maybe not as bad as it seems, but it can still be pretty bad. For those people who have lost loved ones to it, think about them. For those people who are young and lost their lives to it, think about that. You are blessed. The fact that you're alive, breathing, well, like I said, is blessings. You are blessed. You know, there's not too much I can say to this video. You are blessed. It is not difficult to understand. But I'm just saying so you guys wake up, realize what's going on. Realize that you're in a better situation than you think. Again, things like food, water, access to grocery stores, being able to actually watch videos, use internet, have a mobile phone. It's all blessings. You know, you could be anyone. You could end up in any situation. There was no, you know, it's kind of like a lottery pick. You could have been the person who was, you know, had the virus and struggled for months. You could be the person who had low income. You could be the person who was in a place where you had to fight for basic human needs. You couldn't even get basic human needs. Those things, it comes down to pretty much luck at the end of the day. You know, who you're born into. You don't decide that. You don't decide, hey, I'm going to be born into this family. I'm going to be born in this country. You don't decide that. It happens to you. So don't be that person who's always like, you know, thinks they're higher than everyone else, who thinks they're above everyone else. It's not the case. In that regard, you're all pretty much lucky. You know, if we ever want to talk about luck, that is it right there. The fact that what situation you were born to. It might seem not the best or whatever. I've heard people say they're unlucky. No, it's not really that if we're being honest. You're blessed. That's what it is. You're blessed. Remember that you're blessed, guys. You who's watching this video, you're blessed. The person who shared this video is blessed. The people who like this video are blessed. The people who didn't like this video are still blessed. But we still want them to like the video. But either way, I hope you guys understood the message of today's video. You know, I can't stress it enough. It's again a part of being grateful. Understanding that you are blessed. Blessings is not only about when you get money, when you get a pay rise, when you get some money deposited in your account, when your partner buys something for you, when you get gifts. That is not all what blessings is. Blessings are not purely about having nice clothes. Yes, that's nice. Yes, we'd all love that. That's not all what blessings are about. There's way more to blessings than that. So hopefully you guys did enjoy today's video. Hopefully you guys are ready for a new week. Remember the fact that you are blessed. That's all I can say. You are blessed. Also, make sure you guys check out TimeGain Watches. My smartwatch company, I've told you guys many times, go check us out. Let the blessings pour out. You guys know what it is. Add to that, we have free cryptocurrency and a free stock for you guys through Robinhood and Coinbase. Links in the description below. If you want to be an affiliate for my smartwatch company, you can sign up through the links in the description below as well. Lastly, that first thing in the description is a free guide to online business. If you're new around here, check that one out. Download it, it's completely free, made by me. As always, I thank you guys for watching today's video. Go out, have a great week this week, have an amazing week full of blessings. Remember that you're blessed, go out and be great. But thank you guys for watching today's video. That's for today. I got money making, you got money making. See you guys tomorrow for another video. Peace.